Hello everyone, and we are in our factory now, and we are a professional electric tricycle factory, and we have all the production step. Let me show you. You can see this is the steel material, and we buy it and cut it in small pieces. You can see this is many machine here. This one is laser cutting in small pieces. Later I will welding it. This is our first step, the material cutting. We cut all the material here. The second step is the welding. Let me show you around. Follow me. We also have some welding robots. You can see here. We have many welding robots. This is the welding finished product we put here. You can see many. The third process is the painting. You can see we invest a new painting production line. You can see here, the second floor. We will begin to work the next month. Here is our parts warehouse. We put everything here, the motor, the battery, and the controller, and here is the dashboard. Here is you can see the wheel. Here is the wheel. Here is the tire. So here, that place is the battery. This is our lithium battery production line. You can see many production. Here is the production line. Here is the finished product. Here is the for battery checking. Here is the finished product. This is the battery cell we use. You can see 100% new. Here is our lithium battery warehouse. When we finish the assembly, we put all the battery here. Here is our showroom. You can see we have many kinds of electric tricycle. Here is for the environment, the garbage tricycle. Here is the small size for the environment and for the garbage. You can see here is for the small size, the garbage truck. Here is the cargo tricycle. You can see this is small size and this is bigger size, different style. This is our electric tricycle for the passenger. This is our classic car. You can see, good design. This is our relaxed tricycle. You can see here. For the girl go to school, you can. Very beautiful. Here is the tricycle for the cargo. You can see the different cargo size and different load capacity.